This is the Honest Beauty chic look. I would use this look for, say, date night with the hubs. I love this look because it's a throwback to femme fatale. Everyone loves a nice cat eye. The eyeshadow trio. I use shade 3, the lightest shade, all over my entire lid. Next, get in there with shade 1. Follow the crease line of the eye and make a crescent moon shape. I am using the Hydrating Mist. I'm dipping a flat angled brush in the darkest color. Then I go in with a Q-tip and I just cleaned up where I made a mistake. Not everyone's perfect. Last, you get the True Velvet eyeliner in Truly Black. Now wiggle that color into the lash line. This is how those makeup artists get that dramatic look. I'm such a fan of eyelash curlers, I don't know what we did without them. Next up is Truly Lush Mascara. Now apply the lash primer on your upper lashes. With the mascara, I start from the lash line and then close my eyes on the lash brush. Use the Truly Flirting Cream Blush along the apples of your cheeks. Last but certainly not least is the sheer Raspberry Kiss. I love this color because it just looks great on everyone. This is my chic date night with the hubs look. Go to honestbeauty.com to find more looks. Join the conversation. Upload your own Honest Beauty look. Hashtag it, let's be honest. And I'd love to see how you would use this look.